Welcome to an EdTech Team video tutorial. This particular session is on Google Hangouts, but specifically in your Gmail. So as you can see here on my screen, I'm already logged into my Gmail account, which is required to have if you want to be able to use Google Hangouts. Once you have your Google account set up, you can access Gmail, and from Gmail, you'll be able to get to your Google Hangouts. You'll notice down here at the bottom, I do actually have the little icon to be able to launch my Google Hangouts, and that's that little the little apostrophe that you get from the icon, and then it has a double apostrophe on the inside. So this is how you're able to launch your Hangout on this side here, as you can see, if you don't already see it automatically. Sometimes it might default to some other items. But that's how you see that I'm in the view for chat. Up towards the top, there is a drop-down arrow next to your name. And there you'll find just some status notifications and settings that you have for your Google Hangouts. So for example, you can actually leave sort of like a message so people can see what your status is. Because even though you might be online, you may not be available. So you might want to type in something like in meetings or in class in case you are logged in, but you don't necessarily want people to be messaging you. So you can certainly share sort of like a status update with them. You also have some options for notifications, so you can feel free to check or uncheck any of the items that are listed here. The other thing that you'll find under this menu, let me go ahead and pop it right back up, is the search box up at the top right next to where your name is. And if you click on the search box, this can allow you to be able to search for a person in order to be able to contact them. So let's say, for example, I needed to find, I'm going to type in another account here. If I needed to find this person, I could simply type in their name, and it's going to pop open my window so that I can go ahead and start messaging them, messaging this person. I'm just going to tell them that this is a demo, so that when they get this message, they're not in a hurry to necessarily respond. But the idea here is that you're sending a message to that person now via chat. And so this will automatically launch for you in that way. And once you start chatting with that person, then there are a lot of additional options that you can do. Like you can start a video conference call if you wanted to with that person. You can add images if you wanted to send that person an image of some sort. And of course, just regular text. If you wanted to add create a conversation with multiple people. So if you wanted to add people, you could start a new conversation and add multiple people instead of just it being one person. So you can actually multiple select people and then start a chat with those folks. So lots of different options that you can use directly from your Gmail. I'm going to point out lastly down here at the bottom, you can actually make phone calls if you wanted to make phone calls, because Hangouts is not just video or text. It does actually let you use this as if you were calling someone from a phone. So lots of different great options to explore, even from your Gmail account. You don't necessarily have to be on the tool Google Hangouts, but you can actually use it from other resources like this. So have fun using your Google Hangouts.